Parang supply ng mami, oh. Di ba? Oo. Kung yan, hindi pwede supply ng mami. Supply ng mami, pwedeng gawin gano'n.
Of course.
Sleepy.
Me too.
Parang sarap matulog.
I know. I wish we had just like all of them.
Malaki ko, you were not comfortable last night sa bed. Nakatulog ka ba?
Yeah.